Hopkins' religious practice was as a Jesuit, but his spiritual heart was in pantheism and nature. Golden Grove in the poem is not a literal place, but a creative coinage to express the poem's rich ambient setting and the maturing soulfulness of a young child moving through the inner journey from childhood to adulthood and the path that that might take to evolve. Hopkins is particularly known for his use of sprung rhythm, which he describes as the native and natural rhythm of speech, the least forced naturalist of expression. And this way of writing is something that influenced Dylan Thomas in his later work, slow black, crow black, fishing boat, bobbing sea, being an example of the repeated, next to each other, initial characters creating the energy stress of the line. So now to the poem. Spring and fall to a young child. Margaret, are you grieving over Golden Grove and leaving? Leaves like the things of man you with your fresh thoughts care for, can you? Ah, as the heart grows older, it will come to such sights colder by and by, nor spare a sigh, though worlds of wanwood leaf meal lie, and yet you will weep and know why. Now, no matter child the name, sorrow springs are the same, nor mouth had, no, nor mind expressed, what heart heard of, ghost guessed. It is the blight man was born for, it is Margaret you mourn for. Thank you.